Hello everyone, I'm Khaled from Zabadani in Syria. I'm 27. I work in the free shop with Alice from the first day. I live in Syria until 2019. That means I know what the war make in your body and in your mental health. The refugees here in Lebanon, they have really nothing, and we help Syrian people, Palestinian, and the Lebanese. We have a lot of wars and problems in Lebanon. We have around 250,000 Palestinians. They came to Lebanon because they have war in Palestine. Then we have around 1 million Syrian refugees. They came from Syria to Lebanon in 2011. Then after all of that, we have Corona and we have no government in this country. In the last 2 weeks, we have the war between Hezbollah and Israel, and it make the situation really so bad and so difficult. There is a lot of people in the streets. All of these people need help now. We try with all our strong to help all the refugees and the Lebanese people, and we know what they feel. We have a center, it's just like a free shop. We have a lot of clothes, underwear, socks, accessories, hygiene items, blankets, and shoes. All of these items, it's for free for the people. We don't have any NGOs in Al Biqa help the people with the clothes. So that's make our work more important. That give us strong to continue. We have a team in UK. They collect the clothes and put it in the containers and send it to us. Because in Lebanon we cannot find all of these clothes. We try to help with all what we have. Sometimes we help with some medical cases. We prepare great food bags and distribution for the people in their houses and in their tents. In Ramadan, we make a big kitchen, and every day we have around 1,200 meal for 102,000 families. Now, in this war, we open this kitchen again and we give the people the food in the street. Now we start with a new project. We will help the children with the bags, the pens, the pencils, and all what they needed in the year. If we help them to continue in their schools, and in the future we have doctors and engineering and a lot of the good people from these children. It's important more than any food or anything. We are 6 person, 6 refugees, but we help 25,000 refugees in the year. So nobody can say I cannot do anything. From any place, from any time, all of us we can help. Let's have example from our beneficiaries. She's a girl, her name Hazar. She live with her aunt and her grandma, and she live in tent. We have distribution for blanket. I remember it's winter and storm. All of the people in this time ask us about fuel, about food, about wood. Explain this girl. She asked me about, can you help me to arrive to my school? We pay to the bus to take her from the tent to the school. When she don't have school, she work with her aunt farmer to continue in her school and to buy what they want. I check about Hazar in the school and the teacher say she's amazing. Try to help her to continue. I'm sure you know everybody in this world can help. With the 10,000 pound, we will send a container from UK to Lebanon, it uh, will be around 20,000 items. And these items, it will be really good items, good coat, good winter clothes, underwear, and it will be good for the people in this winter. And in the end, we'll have around 300 students to take pen and pencil and all what they needed in this year. We will continue with help the people. We will not take care to the war and to the problems in Lebanon. We will continue with all our strong. We will not leave the people. Thanks for your coming and thanks for your donation. I want to say thanks, Alice, because I know you and you did a lot for this